Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore the exciting world of technology and its impact on society. Today, we will be discussing how robots are transforming farming practices. Farming has always been a labor-intensive and time-consuming activity. Farmers had to manually till the soil, sow seeds, and harvest crops, often working long hours in harsh weather conditions. However, with the advent of robotics technology, the agriculture industry has witnessed a significant transformation. Robots are now being used in various stages of farming, from planting to harvesting, and even in livestock management. One way robots are changing the face of farming is through precision agriculture. This approach involves using technology to optimize farming practices and reduce waste. For instance, robots equipped with sensors and cameras can be used to monitor crops and soil conditions in real time. This information can then be analyzed to determine the optimal time for planting, watering, and fertilizing crops, leading to higher yields and reduced costs. Robotic arms are also being used for planting crops. These arms can be programmed to plant seeds at a precise depth and spacing, ensuring that each seed has an equal chance to grow. This method reduces the need for manual labor and results in a more uniform crop. Another area where robots are transforming farming practices is in harvesting crops. Traditionally, harvesting was done by hand, which was labor-intensive and time-consuming. However, with the advent of automated harvesters, this process has become much more efficient. These machines can harvest crops at a much faster rate than humans and can work for longer periods without fatigue. Livestock management is another area where robots are being used to transform farming practices. For instance, robots are now being used for milking cows. These robots can milk cows on a 24-hour basis, increasing milk yields and reducing labor costs. Additionally, robots can be used to monitor the health and behavior of livestock, allowing farmers to quickly identify and treat any issues. Furthermore, drones are also being used in agriculture to map and analyze farmland. Drones can capture high-resolution images of crops and soil, which can then be used to create detailed maps of the farmland. This information can be used to identify areas of the field that require more attention and optimize the use of fertilizers and water. In addition to these applications, robots are also being used for weed control, crop monitoring, and even for pollination. These technologies are enabling farmers to be more efficient, precise, and sustainable in their farming practices. However, as with any new technology, there are also challenges to overcome. One of the biggest challenges is the cost of robotics technology. Many farmers cannot afford the high upfront costs of purchasing and maintaining robots. Additionally, there are concerns about the impact of robotics on employment in the farming industry. As robots become more prevalent, there is a risk that many traditional farming jobs could become obsolete. In conclusion, robots are transforming farming practices in various ways. From precision agriculture to automated harvesting and livestock management, robots are helping farmers to be more efficient, precise, and sustainable. However, there are also challenges that need to be addressed, such as the high cost of robotics technology and the potential impact on employment in the farming industry. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this content informative, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more videos on technology and its impact on society.